Good day from the Great White North. This is Freaky P, the Crazy Canuck. And first things first, let's check, see how we're doing. Not bad, not bad. Might need some sleep, but apart from that, not bad. I do want to check my potatoes. Nothing, but it's doing good. Do we have any Pippi? Nope, not yet. Alright, so I want to see. The island looks a little bare. Huh. Now, I'm wondering, because we used to have Pippi plants, and I don't see them anymore. Oh, we do have a new mineable rock, though. That's odd. But we do still have all the young palm trees. Huh. No, am I correct? So, yeah, it appears that we have lost the Pippi plants. Well, not the Pippi plants, the Yucca plants, sorry. Is it just for my island? I don't know. I don't think it's really such a big deal. Definitely want to restart a game over it, because we still got the young palm trees on the ground. So, you know what? Speaking of which, why don't we get them? Because, oops, sorry. I'm so used to, playing Subsistence and it being the F button. Okay, so, I know I've seen some more. Hello, here we go. Got a few here. There we go. Yeah, so, yeah, it does look like the Pippi plants have disappeared. But like I said, I'm not going to fret over it right away. If it's absolutely needed, then fine. You know? But I don't think so. I don't think it's absolutely needed or as bad as that. Oh, wait. Did we already grab... Oh, okay, well, that's fine. Apparently we already grabbed the potatoes here. But we have all this fibrous leaf, so that's what I mean. I'm not gonna... It's a bit like crying over spilled milk. I'm not gonna cry over spilled milk, especially when we have so many options. And I do mean so many. It's not like there's a shortage of fibrous leaves. Alright. So what we're also going to do is, just to make sure, we're going to go check our old island. Now, don't get me wrong. If the island is gone or our stuff is gone from the island, then, you know what? Maybe, yeah, it might be a reason to restart. That would be a reason to restart. Yucca plants? No. I don't agree anyways. Okay, so, I know there's more. I just want to grab as much as I can so to get that out of the way. Wait a second. No, that's just a tree. No. Okay. Do I see any more? Usually there's one here. I could be wrong, but they're usually... Oh. Nope. Okay, well, there usually is one there. Because usually we have a yucca plant right here, don't we? So we're going to have to definitely go check that out. Whoa, that's all new. Oop, come on, there we go. Any more? Anything? Yeah, right here. Well, that way, this is more for water and lashings than anything. Okay, don't get me wrong. Yes, you get 12 pieces. Or 12 fibrous leaves. For 2 plants. Or for the 2 plants we did have. So, yeah, I get it. You know, it's a bit of a pain to lose that. I agree. But it's not the end of the world. Alright. So, is that pretty much it? That is it. Alright, so we're gonna go in, get some water going. Whee! Okay. Oh, wait, I saw that. I saw you. Where the hell do you think you're going? Anything else? No. Well, you know what? We got quite a bit. Maybe that's the catch. Maybe they replaced it for the island you're on. They just gave you more plants, more fibrous leaves. I don't know. I'm not going to complain. Anyways, I need it for the water. So, let's add it. Okay. Well, I guess we'll drop the rest right here. Why do... Okay, I thought the rocks were there. I guess not. Interesting. Interesting. Alright, so, I need 2 drinks of water. What's going on? There we go. Thank you. Okay. Oh, we did have these. Where's my shark? There you go. Let's put him with Sharky. Alright. Ooh, Jesus Christ. You know, I wonder if I tied one to each arm, if I could fly off or glide off. That'd be cool. Oh. I love the rain look. But, if you're going to do the storm sounds, it would help if, you know, you went gray right away. The waves are fantastic, though. I gotta say that much. Okay, so, I had plans on going for a ride. You know what? We're still gonna go for that ride. I don't like doing this, but, you know, it is what it is. Usually we can get away with this. Aha. We can. Okay, hold on. Oh man, this might work to my benefit. Okay, let's wait for it. And this way. Come on. Yeah, we did it. Okay, we're going sailing, folks. Okay, we are going this way. Come on. There we go. Now, if I'm right, that's my island. Or our second island. It's not Starter Island. But I really couldn't care less. I mean, we lose Starter Island, we lose the Starter Island. I'm not going... Whoa, dude. Whoa, okay. The fishies are flat. Okay. I'm gonna get seasick. All this up and down. Now, I'm just curious. This is just for my curiosity. Don't get me wrong. If things are there, bonus. But, why are we veering off course? Turn, come on, turn. The one quick way we'll know right off the bat is if my raft is there. If my raft is there, there's no issues with the island whatsoever. Where are we going? We're going this way. Come on. Alright. By the way, I'm just curious right now because I didn't look before I acted. Okay. Well, you know what? I'm going to have to make this worth my while if I come here. Probably going to have to get a shark. Okay. This is one nasty storm today. Okay, this is my island, right? Okay, we're veering so off course, it's not even funny. Yeah, that's my island. Because that's the other island right there. Behind it. Yep. Excuse me. Alright, so we're doing good. Oh, Jesus. Keeps veering off course, though. Like, I'm not getting that. Come on. Come on. Whoa! Dude, that was cool. Okay. And there it is. I can see the raft. So, my advice to everybody is go look for yourselves. If the update has come and it's interfered with your game, or you think it may have, go investigate. Go check your islands. Make sure everything's okay. Like I said, my yucca plants are gone. But there's my raft. You can see it. Okay, what the hell is that tree, though? Okay, that's curious. What is that? I don't recall there being a dead tree in the middle of everything. Okay, that is really weird. Okay, thank you. I was wondering when you're going to start phasing back in there. But I don't recall seeing that tree. Alright, folks. We're arriving. And, I don't know if it's me or what, but is it me or the island looks bare? There's all my sticks. I could grab quite a few though. That would be really helpful. Oh, there's a stick there. What the hell's going on? Okay, I can confirm right now that there's no yucca plants. Which, yeah, is a little disturbing. But, like I said, I'm not going to cry over spilled milk. Yucca plants are the least of my worries. But everything's here. Everything else, anyways. Alright, there's our plank station. And there's our original island. So everything's fine. I don't think there's an issue. However, it does look like we do have some new stuff. Right, you know what? Let's go get a shark. By the way, how are we doing? Because I believe I have some food. Do I have food? I do not have food? No? Well, we got the seagull. If needed. I don't think it's really needed right away, though. But I'm not seeing any food. So, do I want to try for a coconut? I don't know. Let's see. Is there any around, though? That are, like, quickly available? Because I really, really, really don't want to waste my time climbing a tree, taking a chance, breaking my leg. I don't have a splint on me, so... Mind you, it's not from lack of wood. We got wood. Okay, where... Do we or don't we? I don't think we do. I'm not seeing any offhand. Which is a little disturbing. Yeah, no coconuts. That's not good. That is not good, folks. Okay, do we have any plants around like this that could have some fruit? We do not. Okay, well, for now, what I'm going to do then is, okay, I don't have any fruit here. Okay. But, hey, you never know. We're going to have some water anyways. There we go. And we're going to go fishing. Because that's a good way. Actually, hold on. Yeah, I should be okay. Okay. We're going to try and catch a shark. Why not? Oh, nope, nope. We don't want to go that way. Okay, Where is he? Alright, let's try it again. Come on, dude. I'm here. Okay, let's try and stay away from him. Okay, what the hell? Well, might as well try. Not quite sure what it is. Okay, so far no sharks. Oh, we got these. But they're useless. But usually where they are, there's real ones. Okay. Yeah, okay, I just want to make sure. So no sharks. Well, this is weird. I hear rumbling. But it's hard to tell how much of that is you and how much of it is actually a shark. What the hell was that sound? Alright, we got this. Yeah. Okay, we gotta move fast now. Oh, we did get another one. Okay. Got another one. Because obviously, we're gonna be here for a little bit. Okay, let's get back up. Okay, I got room for a little bit more, so let's try. We got him. Okay. Come on. There we go. Alright, let's go. We're off. We're back to the island. Well, it's too late now for the shark. But it's not too late to fill our stomachs. Plus, it's gonna keep us food here, so it's not a bad idea. We're going to first we're gonna have to drop. Where are you? You know what? We're all gonna drop these here. Okay, now we're gonna use our knife. We're gonna skin them all. Oh, come on. It's not that bad. It's not what you said when you were eating it. You went, oh my god, it's the best stuff ever. I can't believe how good of a cook I am, you said. Alright, so the plan is cook all the meat. And we're going to smoke it and leave it here. Because when you smoke it, it looks like it'll last, well, at least for a very long time. I'm not sure exactly how long, but it would appear indefinitely for now.
Gross.
Oh, wait. Shit, I dropped it. Hold on. Let's try it again. There we go. Okay. Alright, so let's start the fire. Where's the kindling? Kindling, thank you. Alright. I love the sound. It's like so fast now. I'm not going to say that would be the sound I imagine, because that sounds a little too nice, a little too perfect. Alright, let's put our meat up. Unfortunately, we can only do 5 at a time. Alright, so we got those. What we're going to do is drop these here. Oh, okay. And we're going to go walk around and see what we can find. What do we got here? It's probably just going to be sticks. And probably some... well, I don't know if there's any rocks. There shouldn't be any. But there's definitely a lot of fibrous leaves. So, where's the flashlight? Here it is. Alright, let's get some fibrous leaves. And how are we doing, by the way? I could use some water. There we go. Alright, let's collect the fibrous leaves. Where are you? Alright, we go in here. Now, that's going to make sure that... I'm going to use this, I think, for lashing, but for the other island. Okay, we got some here. And we have some here. Just want to make sure I didn't have some more. We did, right here. Okay. I thought so. And there's another one to the left, and I believe to the right. Yeah, to the right. One down here. And there's one here. Where is it? Right here. Alright, so far so good. Thank you. Okay, we're getting a lot of fibrous leaves here. What I'm going to do, though, is definitely fill up the water. Just to make sure we got enough. And then make lashings from the rest. Okay, did I see another one? Nope. Okay. Where's the flashlight? I just don't want to miss any. Okay, well, we're going to keep going. Is that it? This might be it, folks. Yeah, I think this might be it. For fibrous leaves, anyways. Sure as hell looks like it. Could be wrong, though. Well, at least the good news is we got rid of the snake here. And the pigs. That's why we ate so good. Alright, well, I don't see any more. Oh, wait, yes I do, right here. And our meat is now smoked. Alright, so let's go take care of this. Alright. So what we're going to do is... Okay, so we're full for water. Let's... Okay, so that's done. Now we're going to build some lashing. Let's put you away. Oh, for crying out loud. Here we go. Can we create another one? No matter what, we're full. Okay, so let's drop the flashlight. Okay, so we got our lashing. What do we got? We got some fibrous leaves that we're going to put here. That way we got some there. How we doing for fire? Actually, you know what? Give me the palm frond. And there we go. Let's pick up our smoked meat. Yeah, and there's a... I don't know what it is with the with Gain the Meat now, it's a bit of a pain in the ass. Not quite sure why. Where is it? There we go. Okay, well, we got these. So what we're going to do with these is we're going to drop them right here. Okay, and where's our meat? Alright, those are the 3. We're going to attach these. And how are we doing for food? We need 3. And there we go. And now we're perfect. So what time is it right now? It's 9:49. Alright, you know what? I'm going to wait for this meat to finish cooking. Because what we're going to do is we're going to put it with the rest. And we're going to grab our lashings. Where are they? Because we can always build more. I know there's no yucca plants. But like I said, I'm not going to reboot the whole game and restart for the sake of yucca plants. we're ahead enough already. It's not needed. Alright, so let's put this away. Unfortunately, I didn't get a shark, but you know what? That's not the end of the world. I wonder, though. It's because I would love to chop down a couple of trees. But, however, if I do, I'm going to use up my knife, which is at 15%. I can't risk it. But I also need sleep. So, you know what? Where's the shelter? It's right here. Oh. I guess I got extra shelter. Anyways, we're going to get some sleep, and I'll see you in the morning. Okay, well, the good news is at least we know that the meat is cooked. Now, is it smoked yet? I'm not sure. It is. And the fire's out. Of course it is. Alright, well, let's get our meat. Come on. Where is it? There we go. Okay, so how are we doing here? So we need one. We're going to eat one. We're going to drop the rest. Man, I didn't realize we still had 2 knives here. But we don't have an axe, so not really worth it then, is it? Okay, so now we're going to head out. We're going to head back to our island. And actually, I want to turn this around. Let's turn you around. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Alright. So we're good to go. We got everything we need. Let's get our anchor and head back home. Alright. Let's grab our rudder. Turn, 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 turn. There we go. So, the yucca plant apparently has gone missing. Now, I know if you restart the game, it's there. I've seen somebody do it, so... Now, do I agree that like I said, I can't help but repeat this. Do I feel like I need to reboot the game just for that? No. I mean, for crying out loud, we found a whale. I've never seen that anybody else with a whale. We found it where? On the outskirts of the world, on the edge of the world. Well, of this world. But that was cool. But it made me wonder, can I kill it? Didn't look like it. Looked like we can hit it once in a while, but not kill it. Now, I know about the 3 bosses. The giant eel, the megalodon, and the giant squid. But I never, ever read or seen or heard of a big-ass whale. So that was cool. I hope to see it again. But like I said, I don't know if I can kill it. Be nice to find out. But it seems like nobody else has ever seen it. So maybe I'm the first. Maybe I got lucky. I don't know. If anybody else has seen it, please let me know in the comments below. I'd really appreciate it. I want to know it wasn't a mirage. I'm not losing my mind. But you see, if I would have restarted, I would not have seen that. So, I'm not going to restart, folks. But, I do want to get ready for the next encounter with, what the hell is that? You know what? I think we're going to find out. But I do want to get ready for the next encounter with the boss. Because that will definitely happen sooner than later. And drop the anchor. There we go. Wait a second. This isn't my island. Oops. I think I took a wrong turn there at Albuquerque. Hold on. That's my island. Now this has happened before. I don't make a big deal out of it. It's not worth it. But apparently... Alright, come on. Am I stuck here? No. Okay, good. Come on, come on. Oh, brother. Okay, let's try this. Come on, turn. Turn. It didn't turn. Son of a bitch. I hate when this happens. Here we go. Alright, we're going. And away we go. Ooh. You know what? We might be checking this out. Hold on. We might be checking this out. Alright, where is it? It's right here. Where is it? Did I already check this? I could have swore I just saw something. I did. Let's get out of here. Yeah. There we go. Alright. Ooh. I saw that. Yeah. We're gonna have to reinvestigate some of these. Is he gone? Sounds like he may be gone. He's not gone. Okay, we're going back to the island. We're not sticking around to find out. We got at least one. Oh, don't get me wrong. If he wants to follow me, I'm more than happy to take him out. Okay. This is our island, right? I just want to make sure. Okay, he is annoying. Dude. Like, no means no. Okay, this is weird. That's my island. Okay, yeah, that's my island. Why am I not seeing anything, though? I can see the boat. Okay, what the... Must have taken a wrong turn at Albuquerque. That's all I can say. But, huh. Okay, no, this is our island. Okay. It's very peculiar. But at least we got some sleep, and that's something that we needed. And just to make sure. Ooh, shit, we need water, though. It's amazing. You're surrounded by this stuff, but yet you can't drink it. Alright, no, I keep turning the wrong way now. I don't know why. It just keeps happening. Well, there's our gyrocopter. What the hell is that plant? Is that a plant? No, that's not mineable resource. But I don't have a pick. So we're probably going to have to build one so that we can get that. And that'll give us more rocks. Which is actually quite a bonus. Alright, let's get out of here. This is really slow. Alright. Here we go. Whoa, what? What? Do you want to pick a fight? Are you sure? I do not have an issue. If you would like to pick a fight, I'm all for that. If not, then shut up. Alright, let's get out of here. Yeah. Get over it, you're fine. Okay, let's go check our plants. How are you doing, buddy? Nothing. Any pee for me? Yes, we got some more pee. Alright, well that's good news. Okay, so the pee plant comes in quite frequently, from what it seems. I'm sorry about that. Did I pick anything up? I thought I picked some. Yeah, and that's the other thing. What's in this crate? Oh, wait. Okay, let's drop it. Let's see what's in it. We got some cloth. That's really good news. Because that means we can make bandages. Alright, now we just got to water our plants. And because we need more potatoes. If I can get around with a helicopter instead, I'd rather get around with a helicopter. But that needs potatoes in order to run, so. Alright. One more, and we should be good. Oh, that was cool. Filled up at the same time. Alright, so we're good to go. We are good to go. We can drop this back off. And how are we doing? We need water. Alright, we got some meat. So what do we need for meat? We just need one. Funny that. Apparently we need water up the yin yang though. Alright. I doubt we have... Ooh. Let's put our lashings. Alright. And... let's see if we can find a coconut. I'm going to doubt that. Very, very much. Because I think I pretty much chopped down everything. Or pretty close. Or things that we're already missing. I'm not sure. But I don't see any. Alright, well, you know what? It's not too bad. The plants have come back. What the? Okay. Why do we have new stuff? Wasn't that already... Ooh. Okay, apparently we got some stuff around. I just want to see if anything may have respawned. Okay, apparently no. Oh, wait. We got a crate. I'm not going to complain. I'm not going to ask questions either, though. Okay, and the other thing, too, is we're going to get those palm fronds. Okay, what the hell's going on? Where's all this stuff coming from? So, do I have... I don't have room for that. What do I have in here, though? We're going to take a look. Okay, interesting. Interesting. So that means I can grab the palm fronds. For crying out loud. Okay, where I go to my hands. Okay, so that's interesting. You know what? We already did, though. Doesn't hurt to check again. Let's see if there's anything in the boat. There's the tires. Now, let's see if... Okay, it looks like some things have respawned. I'm not entirely sure. We got the tires. I mean, that could always be useful in the future. But I'm a little surprised by the outcome. So, I'm not going to complain. I mean, we have more stuff now, so it's really not worth complaining. So we're going to drop this here. Okay, what else do we have? We got the crate. And drop that here. We just got a lot of stuff now. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and collect the rest of the fibrous leaves. I'm going to chop up these guys up, all these three, cook them. And we're going to call that a day. Because sadly, that's all the time we have for this episode. So on that note, thank you guys for stopping by. If you enjoyed the video, then smack the like button, lay down your comments, and subscribe if you haven't already to the channel by clicking on channel logo below. And until the next video, this is Freaky P saying good day.